Operation Red Meat comes hot on the heels of Operation Save Big Dog as Johnson realises it's not enough to sack the servants to save his overly entitled hide. Well, I hate to break it to you, Sunshine. You might as well have called it Operation Dead Meat because there is no saving you from this. Apparently, you can't understand how others have let this happen to you. You have berated employees for not shielding you from your own excesses becoming public knowledge. But let's at least give some of them their dues when they're forced to put chairs in doorways to keep you in one place to stop you from drunkenly shaming yourself in public. It's not for lack of effort on their part, is it? Sadly, as much as we want Johnson consigned to the dustbin of history right now, he's still fighting to save himself, and that now means throwing around some populist policies. He's going to deploy the military to fend off the dreaded migrants again. This will appeal to the frothy-mouthed Farage wing of his support base, the preachy Patels, but in practice, they can do no more to repel people we know are overwhelmingly seeking asylum from risking their lives to come here. They will not be permitted to drown at sea under international maritime law. You cannot turn vulnerable people in the busiest shipping lane around in the world. What are they going to do if they aren't alighted enough? Arrest them? Fire on them? It's a racist notion designed to bash minorities to save his own skin. It's racist Johnson all over, and he can fuck off. More cash for the NHS to get waiting lists down that have been worsened by the hopeless Johnson's response to the pandemic. Combined with the staffing fallout after Brexit, this is impossible to deliver without letting health workers back in on proper favourable terms that will encourage their return. That won't happen. And training enough now is going to take years. And adding to that, he's saying he's going to lift the restrictions when the pandemic, as ever, is still ongoing. Omicron might be less severe, but it's more contagious, so cases will no doubt rise again. He wants to freeze the BBC licence fee for 2 years. I've no sympathy for the BBC. Frankly, they're run by the Tories for the Tories. And if that's still too left-wing for you, how hard-right has the parliamentary Tory party become? Very is the answer. But I've zero sympathy for the Beeb either. After towering the left as racist for years, they've made their bed. They can damn well lie in it. And of course, there's the workplace booze ban in number 10. Impossible, frankly, whilst you're still the Prime Minister, Bozo, surely. NHS privatisation, right to protest crackdown, dehumanising asylum seekers again, and a promise to stop drinking whilst on the clock. The deluded fool thinks this is what appeals to you. Well, nothing less than his removal will do for me.